Hello friend, thank you so much for clicking this video. I'm Sunday Oyewale from Octozi School of Shoemaking, where we take non-techie how to improve on the shoemaking skills. In this video, I want to show you how I was able to sketch this on the last. Yes, making sure is quite easy, and the very first thing you get to do when you want to make a copy of the project is you need to sketch that same thing. You need to sketch it on the last. Yes, you need to represent it on the last. Watch this video because I'm going to be sharing a bit light on what you need to consider when it comes to sketching. Yes, it's just all about sketching, and I will be putting this on the last. That's what I'm going to be doing. Come with me right now to see how I will be sketching this on the last, not just sketching it, how I'm going to be using this to get this pattern out. Then come here to max my last round, to max it round. Every part of it you need to max it round. Then come in here to cut it out. It's out smooth. Come in here, divide this into two, you centralize it. So centralizing it, you can just pick this. At the point it gets it divided into two, and then come over. Here is, this is 7.5, 7.8. So the 7.8 to be divided into two, that will be 3.4. So the point here, get it connected. So we have this. It's now connected this way. Connect it together. After connect this, we then need to start sketching. We're using this point. Get what I come this way. So that is it. The shape is out there. I can then come in here, doing it this way. Come in this way. Yeah, it is getting this frame out. Frame is out. Okay, we've gotten this. This is the shape. Look at it. With what you have on screen, was it the shape? Okay, if it is, which I know it is right now, so we then go and add a bit of details to it. For this to be a bit clearer, I'll just like to dash up with my pen. Okay, after I've cut it out, this is what it looks now. All excess in here have been trimmed out in here, so we're left with this now. You can see it clearly shows our project out, what we want to get out. Looking at it and comparing it with what we have as our reference picture, it looks like that, the same shape. So after we get this out, we then now need to go to the next level, which is